So this car gadget is actually super good. Two things work in its favor. First of all, this comes at a price of less than 5,000 rupees. And secondly, this is super portable, which means you're not tied down to the electric socket or not tied down to the water hose. You can carry it anywhere and wash your car, your bike. Basically, anything which needs to be washed can be done because this is super easy to carry and it is super portable. So this is the Stellar Drive WG-X1 Torrent cordless pressure washer. So many of you were waiting for this particular gadget because this kind of removes all the problems associated with many of the other washers, pressure washers that are available online. But before I talk about the features of this cordless pressure washer, you need to know that in the box you get a user manual, which I would definitely recommend that you go through before you actually start using this washer. Secondly, you get the main pressure washer itself, super handy and super easy to carry, made out of ABS plastic, has a proper grip and a well placed trigger button, gets a lithium-ion battery inside the handle. This also gets a USB Type-C port at the bottom with a rubber seal so it doesn't get wet, and that rubber seal is quite good as you can see. And you also get 3 different LED indicators right next to the Type-C port. You get a really nice Stellar Drive branding on one side, and at the back you get a smart display which gives you a digital reading of the battery percentage. So right below the main body you get the inlet hose, and right at the front you get the water outlet, for which you get a 5-way adjustable nozzle. You also get a USB A to Type-C charging cable, and Stellar Drive also provides a soap dispensing bottle within the box pack. Additionally, you also get a bottle connector in the box, using which you can connect any water bottle to the pressure washer directly. Lastly, in the box you get a 5-meter water hose with a filter attached on one end. So all you need to do to turn on this pressure washer is just press and hold this trigger button for 2 seconds, and the display basically turns on at the back, showing you the current battery percentage. And once you turn on, you can just press the button and this starts off immediately. And once you leave the trigger, the pressure washer stops by itself, and after waiting or being idle for like 15 seconds, the pressure washer automatically turns off. You don't have to do anything else. So the pressure washer itself and all the other things in the box are directed at just one thing, that you can wash freely without having to plug in, and you can source your water from any particular way. Either you can use a bucket or you can use a bottle. Basically it's left to you, and that's the most versatile and the most practical feature of having a cordless pressure washer. Additionally, this also gets a 6000 mAh battery built inside and has a power rating of 100 watts. And this also gets a water flow rate of 3.9 liters per minute and a motor speed of 19,000 RPM. The charging time of this pressure washer is about 2 to 3 hours. So the 5-in-1 attachment nozzle has 5 different sprays, including a straight water jet and a fan spray, an angled spray, a shower spray, and even a foam mode. So I've been personally using this Stellar Drive cordless pressure washer from quite some time, and I've tried it with both sources, by like using the water from a bucket and using the water from an attached bottle source, and both have worked flawlessly well. This pressure washer gets a powerful jet spray and it can work all the way even up to 10 feet. And one particular thing which I really liked about this is its angle spray. So using this angle spray you can clean the underside of the car without actually having to insert the pressure washer below the car itself. And for the fact that this being a portable washer makes it a multi-purpose, multi-useful gadget and doesn't limit itself to just washing cars. Of course, you can use it to wash your cars, wash your bike. You can also use it to wash your plants. You can also use it to clean your yard, your windows, your home, your walls. After using this pressure washer for a while, I really feel that this is one of the most underrated car gadgets that's available out there. And considering the fact that this comes at a price of less than 5,000 rupees, makes this one of the blind choices for anybody who is looking to keep their car, their motorbike, their house, their yard, their lawn clean. I mean, multi-purpose, multifunctional. Just go ahead and get it straight away with closed eyes. You will definitely love the way this pressure car washer works, and you will definitely love cleaning your car the next time onwards. So to speak, even my son loves to wash the car using this pressure washer. So that being said, if you are interested in grabbing this Stellar Drive WG-X1 Torrent cordless pressure washer for yourself, the purchase link is given right down below in the description. Go ahead and grab it straight away, and you can also of course approach your nearest car accessory shop and ask for Stellar Drive products. If you do have any doubts, any queries regarding this product, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one way or the other, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now. smash that like button and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. The links are given right below in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.